Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to start exercise 16.2. Okay. So yes, first question says we need to draw a bar graph for the following data. Use a break in y-axis as shown to reduce the height. Okay, so this break sign we need to use. We call it kin sign also, right? It means from 0 we directly jump to a certain point. We do not take in between numbers, because whenever the scaling we will do, in that scaling obviously we will not we will take only small bits, right? But here we need to, from 0 we need to jump directly over 100. We don't need actually any number between 0 to 100, so we will not mention. So what we will do to jump directly over a certain number, we use the kin sign or break on y-axis, okay, or x-axis, wherever it is required, right? So if we see here number of students, so it is starting from 150 going till 230, right? So obviously we have to start from 140 if we are taking 1 centimeter as 10, right? So till 140 we don't require any number. It means we can use the kin sign. Okay, yes. So first of all, let's draw the axis. So from left to bottom we'll start. Okay, so we have drawn y-axis. Now we will draw x-axis. Yes, now we have drawn x-axis also. We always start from left to bottom, right? Now yes, so this is point O, right? This is point O. Now what we need to do, as on y-axis we are taking these numbers, right? So we will start from 140 and then we will take the gap of 10 10 10, right? It means we will take 1 centimeter equals to 10 students, right? This scaling if we take, it means from here we have to start from 140. So 0 to 140 no numbers. So what we will do, we will use here kin sign. So either you can use this break and here directly you can write 140. Okay, so what scaling we are taking here, we need to mention here scale 1 centimeter equals to 10 students, right? Okay, so it is 140. Then this one point 150. Now next point after this, next this one point I am marking the point, so it will be easy for me to write the numbers. Okay, so yes, next is this one point, next this. Now let's see how many we want. Accordingly we will write these numbers. So 150, then 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. We need till 230. So 210, then 220, then 230. Okay, you can write here 240 also. So like this we have written these numbers. And what are these? These are the number of students. Okay, so here you need to write that yes, these all are number of students. Number of students. Okay, this you need to write actually on graph, but as I have taken this line little bit this side, so that is why I am writing here. Okay, on bottom or on our x-axis what we will take subjects. Okay, now this first one I am taking as English, then maths. Okay, then next this one will be science, Then next will be social studies. Right? Okay. Now 230. So where is 230? 230 is here. So here we will draw this rectangle, right? Because we need to take 230. I am marking it so that whenever we will draw, it will be easy for us to draw the rectangle over there, right? So this is basically 230. Yes. Okay. So now next, maths. For maths we have 165. Now where this 165 will lie? Here you can see 140, 150, 160 and 170. It means in between 160 and 170, 165 will lie. Okay. It means if I mark the point here, yes. So here this 165 will lie. So again I need to draw a rectangle over here. Yes. So here you can see that this gap and this width of these bars are equal, are same, right? So we have to take it same only, always, width and the graph. Okay. Okay, so it is bit, yes. Now for science we have 215, 215. It means it will come between 210 and 220. So 210 and 220 between here. Okay. So I am marking the point here. See, always marking point is easy, and then it helps us to draw the bars. Okay. Yes. So you can see we have drawn till 215. Yes. Now next is social studies, 150 students. So let's draw for 150. 150 means basically we are going till here only, right? 140 and 150 here. Okay. So let's draw the bar graph for this. Yes. Okay. So yes, now you can see we have drawn. So basically this is the bar graph for this first question. We have written the favorite subject of the student. So heading also we need to write. Okay. So let's write the heading. Heading is what? Favorite students, favorite subjects of students. Favorite subjects of students. It is always necessary to mention what is the heading of the graph, right? Okay. So now let's move to next question. Yes, question number 2. Now question number 2 says, draw a bar graph of the following data. In the y-axis, show 1000 kilometer after 0 using a break. It means again we need to use that kill sign over there, right? So let's start. So first of all, we will draw axis. Okay, so I'm drawing. So left bottom we will always use. Okay. So this will work as y-axis. Yes. Now I'll draw x-axis, because first step is to draw the axis. Okay, so x-axis. Now we need to write on x-axis. We will write reverse, as the first column is always reverse. So here I will write reverse. Okay. So the first one is Ganga. For Ganga I am writing G. Then Brahmaputra I am writing B. For Krishna I am writing K. For Narmada I am writing N. Okay. Now this is x-axis. Now on y-axis, what we need to take? We need to take first kin sign. What we are writing on y-axis, we are writing length. Okay. So length in kilometer we are writing. Oh. So we have to use kin sign and show 1000 kilometer after 0 using a break. Okay. We'll show 1000 kilometers. Okay. Yes. And then you can see we need to go till 2900. Right. Okay. So if we take here 1000, then next if we are taking gap of 100, it will be very difficult, because then for 2900 we need to go to 19 lines. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. No, 19 lines won't be possible. So what we will do, we will take gap of 200. Okay, we will take gap of 200 here. So if we are taking gap of 200, then 1000, then 1200, then 1400, 1600, 1800, then it is 2000, then it is 2200, 2400, next 2600, next 2800, and now next is 3000. Okay, right. So now let's draw it. So first of all, it is 2525. Right. So where this 2500 will come? 2500 will come here. Right, because see, 1 centimeter, this 1 centimeter we have taken as 200 kilometer. Okay, so what is the scaling here? Let's write scale. 1 centimeter equals to 200 kilometer. Right, it means this one complete is taking 200. It means half is taking 100. This one portion 100, this one portion 100. Right, and we need to draw 2500. So it will come between 2400 and 2600. This is 2500, and we need to draw 25 also. So we'll go a bit up. Okay, because this small portion is, again, if we divide into 4 parts, then we will get one part as 25. So we'll go a bit up to it. It means we will draw from here. Okay, yes. Now I am just marking the points, then we will draw that rectangle. Now for Brahmaputra it is 2900, so 2900, it will come between 2800 and 2000 and 3000. And for Krishna 1300, 1300 will come between 1200 and 1400 for Krishna, so it is 1300. For Narmada it is 1312. Okay, so for Narmada it will go a bit up. Okay, because then again we need to take more than 1300. Right, so now let's draw the graph over here. Graph means the bar will draw. Okay, so this graph we have drawn. Right, now for the second one we will draw again. Yes, here we have taken these ones. Yes. Now for the third one, rectangle, as we have already marked, so it is easy to draw rectangle quickly. Yes. Now for the fourth one, let's draw the rectangle. or the bars. Now here you can see the bar as well as the width, like width of the bar as well as the gap between them, like this gap and this width, these are equal, these are same. We always keep them same. Okay, so now here what is the heading? Heading is length of rivers. Okay, and this one portion was to explain, so I'll just simply remove this one portion, right? So this is basically the graph of second question. Now come to question number third. Yes, now question number third says draw a bar graph for the following data. In the y-axis, show 150 after 0 using a break. Okay, we'll draw and we will show. So first step is to draw y-axis or x-axis, right? So here I'm drawing y-axis. Now I'm going to draw x-axis. Okay, so now I'm going to draw x-axis. Yes, I have drawn x-axis. Yes, now first of all we need to see that yes, this is 0, this is break, and here we will write 150, right? Now on y-axis what we are taking? We are taking draw a bar graph of the following data. In the y-axis, show 150 after 0 using a break, and here color of t-shirts sold in a shop. So here number of t-shirts on y-axis, and on x-axis color of t-shirts. So on y-axis we will write number of t-shirts, and on x-axis we will write color. Okay, so what are the colors here? Blue for this one column. Okay, here yellow. For yellow I am writing Y. For purple I am writing P. For black, okay, black and blue I have written complete names to avoid confusion. For green I am writing G, and for white I am writing W. Okay, now here it is 150, and you can see we are going till from 150 we are going till 250, right? So yes, we can take gap of 10, it will be easy. It means what is the scaling here? 1 centimeter equals to 10 t-shirts, right? Okay, so this first one is 150, second 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, now I'm writing 150, then 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, and 260. Okay, so now let's draw, first mark the point and then we will draw the lines. For blue we have 170, 170 here. So this one is for blue. For yellow we have 250, for yellow 250 here, no, here it's 250. For purple 195, for purple 195 will come between 190 and 200. Okay, so this is the, yes, this is for purple. You can see we are taking this one. Now for black 165, it means it will come between 160 and 170. So it is for black. Yes. Then for green 180, for green 180, this line is 180. Okay. And for white it's 200. So where is the point 200? Yes, you can see this is the point 200 for white. Okay, so now next step is to draw a rectangle or draw the bars. Okay, so let's draw. Yes, now next is here 250 for yellow. Yeah, we are correct, absolutely correct. 250 for yellow. Next it's 195 for purple. Yeah, absolutely correct. It's 195 for purple. Now next it is 165 for black. Yes, 165 for black. Next, okay, green, it's 180. So 180 for green. Next, for white, 200. Yes, so for white it's 200, right? So now like this we will draw the bars. Yes. So yes, here now last heading is left, heading we will write COLOURS, colors of t-shirts sold in a shop. Okay, so this is the heading. So like this we will draw the bar graph. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye, take care and do revise.